Looking for the best copper cookware sets? In this video we look at some of the top 3 copper cookware sets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Amoretti Brothers Hammered Copper Cookware 7-piece set. Pros: features 2mm copper construction with an attractive hammered finish. The cookware has double-layered tin and the lids sport handmade bronze handles, both for durability and style. Cons: it only has 7 pieces in the set, yet it is just slightly less costly than our best of the best choice. Bottom line: an attractive set that is edged out just slightly by the Matfer Bourgeat set on quality and craftsmanship. At number 2. Calphalon Tri-Ply Copper 10-piece set. Pros: a 10-piece set that is constructed of an aluminium core layered by a stainless steel interior and copper exterior. Has a brushed finish, flared rims, and a lifetime warranty. Cons: the copper layer lacks the thickness of more costly sets, but it's still reliable and attractive cookware. Bottom line: a fraction of the price of other copper sets with more pieces and a much lower price, the best choice for you if you want both quality and value. At number 1. Matfer Bourgeat Copper Cookware 8-piece set. Pros: boasts 2.5mm of gorgeous copper layered with polished stainless steel that together delivers precise heat conduction. Both lids and cookware are copper, and the riveted handles are solid cast iron. Cons: these 8 pieces are expensive, but they are also beautifully designed and superbly made. If you're willing to invest, this is a great choice. Bottom line: a thickly clad copper set that is both attractive and functional, hands down the best available. Users remark that they've never experienced more even cooking, and that they function even better than they look. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.